Today I'm going to show you how to pull a vacuum on your HVAC system. So let's get started. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a set of gauges, and we're going to be replacing our valve cores. So we're going to have a valve core remover tool for both sides. At the minimum, you don't have to. And then you're going to need a vacuum pump. This is a 3 CFM 2-stage vacuum pump. So you want to make sure you check your oil, make sure it's at the right level. First, we're going to go ahead and remove the valve cores from the system, and make sure this is pushed all the way in, and you turn it counterclockwise. And then that's how you take it out. I'm going to close off each system, each valve core remover, just close it off. We're going to hook up our lines. Red is going to go to your high side. The blue is going to connect to your low side. And your yellow is going to connect to your pump. And that's your connection. We're going to keep an eye on the gauge. And we'll let it sit until we get to about 30. So we're down past 30. So we're going to shut it down and let it sit. And make sure it holds and has no leaks. Go ahead and close your valves. So it's been about 45 minutes, and you can see it's still holding. So we'll go ahead and add Freon. And for this one, we're gonna do 422D. Disconnect your yellow from your pump and connect it to your Freon. Open it up. And we're charging this as a liquid, so we're flipping it upside down. So got everything charged up. The line is nice and cold. It's blowing cold inside the house. So we'll go ahead and get these lines wrapped up also. So got everything hooked back up. Valve cords are in. Got the low pressure pipe insulated. Everything's running fine. Cooling off nicely in the house. So if you got any questions, just put them in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification for more upcoming videos. I'll talk to you later.